My name is Larry Chin. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to use forms in Excel. Forms allow you to easily delete your data. It allows you to easily add some items on your tables. Many times when we deal with tables, we always have a lot of information. For instance, the rows are always very many. For instance, if I come here and I show you this data here, I have 3 sheets that I'm working with here that I'll be showing you. Here, if I come here and I select and I come under here, we have 51,291 rows. Okay, so just imagine that you want to add 51,292 the 92nd data under this table. Just imagine how you have to scroll and go up and add it and scroll. That is time consuming and it's also stressful. So to easily do this, we use forms. But before we get there, let me start showing you basics on forms. Okay, first of all, we have this small data here, so we have to convert this to table. That's the first rule when you are dealing with forms. We just click in the middle of the data. Don't click outside in the middle of the data, and then you choose Ctrl+T. We want to convert it to table. That's why we choose Ctrl+T. And then we click here. We say my table has headers. It has headers, of course. And then here we click OK. Wow, we have converted it to a table. So now we just click inside this table and then we choose forms. Perfect. Now when we choose form, this is what I want you to see. Forms now goes and collects all the header of your table. If you have 1,000 columns here, you find all those 1,000 columns here. Okay, that's what forms does. It goes and automatically pick, and it's very flexible. Any table you create, it goes and collects that column. So right here, we have state, country, region, and market. So if we want to delete this particular information here, where we have Oklahoma, United States, Central US, USCA, if we want to delete this, if we click here, we are going to delete this data. But I don't want us to delete data here. I just wanted to show you how you can add data. Okay, right here, if we want to add data here, all we need to do is to go to new. You see, and if we say state, we say Southwest. If we say country, we say Cameroon. I'm doing this from Cameroon, okay? If we say region, we say FACO. We say Southwest. Yeah, Southwest again. Region. And then we say market, we say Africa market. Cameroon is found in Africa. You see now. And then we click new. Perfect. You see that automatically we have added this information under here. Okay? So we have Southwest, state, Cameroon, country, region, Southwest again, that's what we put, and then market, Africa. You see, so we have added. So if I still want to delete this information, I can still come here again and I come now to previous data. So it brings back, it starts speaking from here and where we just left, and now I can delete. If I come here and delete, and it says displayed record will be permanently deleted, and I click OK. You see, we have also deleted that data. You see, now we no more have Cameroon, Southwest, etc. Okay, if I come again and I say I want to go to previous again, it keeps taking me to the previous data. Now it was Cameroon was here, it brought us here. Now it has taken us now to Paraná, Brazil, South America, and Latam. You see, so if I want to delete it again and I click delete, you see it asks again and I click, you see it deletes the data. That is something I want you to know about forms. You can add and you can delete. Okay, you can. And also to make forms really useful, let's go to a bigger table so you see what that how it works there. So right now we are here and we first of all check if we have a table here. So we already have a table here. It's right here. So now, as I said, we have 51,291 columns here. Okay, so we want to add a data. When we add it, we will still check to see how many we have. Okay, so if I click inside this table and I go here and I choose form, you see it comes now and picks this data and tells me that we have city, state, country, subcategories, sales, quantity, profit, and other priority. So if I come here and I simply go to next, it allows me now, and now we want to add an information. So if we come to city here and we just put Boya, and then we come to state here, we put Southwest, and then we come to category and then we put TV. We come to subcategory, no, we put electronics here. Let's put electronics on category electronics, on category, and then under electronics we have TV. Under sales, let's say we have 3,000. Let's take note of this. We are going to be checking this data. Under quantity we put 20. Under profit we put 3,000 again, and then under priority now we put high. Okay, we just put high there, and then see, we click next. You see the data has changed, it has added. You see what happens. Okay, so now we delete this, and then we come to our last data here. You see it already gave us the addition. You see what happens here. I hope you are seeing here. So right here, let me choose the column. You see, so right here we have Boya under city, we have Southwest under state, we have electronics under category, we have TV under subcategory, we have 3,000 under sales, we have 20 under quantity, we have 3,000 again under profit, and we have high as other priority. Let's check this again and ensure that we are correct. If we go under here and we select this column, now we have 51,292 rows here as our data, because we added one. It added now to from 51,291 to 51,292. So this is how you can easily add data in your table and also delete data in your table. Okay, and also be able to find data, so you can use any of the options. So this is how we do it when it comes to forms in Excel. These are very, very important skills that you need to learn and begin to manipulate data in your Excel sheet wherever you are. Thank you very much, and looking forward to other videos.